Former Pak skipper Shahid Afridi posing for pictures with Major General Asif Ghafoor, Director General of Pakistan's Inter-Services Public Relations, a branch of Pakistan's ISI. This is being seen as proof of Afridi's ISI link. Proof that Afridi is peddling the ISI line on Kashmir, meeting ISI officers, relaxing, sharing food with them and towing their line. Here is one more proof. Shahid Afridi's Kashmir rant on Twitter on the 3rd of April is a mirror image of Major General Asif Ghafoor's tweet less than 24 hours earlier, both stoking anti-India passions. Shahid Afridi stands 100% exposed a day after his anti-Kashmir rant. Is this a mere coincidence that Afridi began parroting ISI's line on Kashmir after meeting top ISI officers? Indian cricketers slammed Shahid Afridi for his double standards on Pakistan-sponsored terror and his attempt to lecture India.
As an Indian, obviously you want to, express what is best for your nation, and my interests are always for the benefit of our nation, and if anything opposes it, I would never support it, for sure.
This just hours after lyricist Javed Akhtar tore into the Pakistani cricketer, telling him to focus instead on his government and army's role in fomenting trouble in Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, I don't think Shahid Afridi is aware of the exact situation. What's happening in Kashmir? I mean, Pakistan is exporting all terrorists to Pakistan. It's cross-border terrorism which is going on there. And Indian forces are fighting them. So they are not, they are doing this. So Shahid Afridi should have condemned his own government, his own establishment for waging a war against India and Kashmir.
See, what Shahid Afridi said was really uncalled for. First thing, it's a Pak-sponsored thing, what's going on in Kashmir, the whole world knows about it.
I'm afraid he is old enough or he is mature enough to comment like this on Kashmir issue.
But what is perhaps hurting India's interests more are elements backing Shahid Afridi's anti-India rant.
Everybody has condemned it. Not one nation, every nation is condemning the killing. The killing must stop.
What is most shocking is Mr. Farooq Abdullah creating a moral equivalence between the terrorists killed and the security forces laying down their lives defending the nation. It doesn't behove someone like Farooq Abdullah.
It is time to unite and block out anti-India elements. It is time to finally put India first. Bureau Report, India Today.